Hi everyone, I'm Rahul and I'm working as a Python developer at Adrixus. And today we are going to learn how to develop an Alexa skill with Python. Alexa skills are just like apps that we are using in our smartphones or tablets. Alexa can perform a wide range of tasks like set timers, read the news, tell jokes, and order pizza, and many more. Nowadays, many industries like media, banking, e-commerce, education, healthcare have started building Alexa skills for their customers. So let's get started and see what we will learn in this tutorial. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to build a simple fact skill called SOU facts. Basically, in this skill, we will provide a list of interesting facts about the Statue of Unity. And Alexa will read one of those facts to user when they start our skill. We will also learn how to use Alexa Developer Console, what is invocation name, intent, utterance, prompts, etc. We will also learn how to host Alexa skills backend like Python codes and other resources. At the end, we will see how to test the skill which we have created. Interesting, right? First of all, before starting to build your own Alexa skill, you will need an Amazon developer account. To create Amazon developer account, go to developer.amazon.com. Fill out the form with the required details and complete the sign up process. When you complete the sign up process, sign into the Alexa developer console. To create a new skill, click on a create a skill button. We are building a skill for a Statue of Unity fact, so our skill name will be SOU facts. Select default language to English India or other if you live in a different speaking language country. We are building custom skill, so we will select custom model. To host our skill backend resources, we have two options. First is we can host the skill ourselves using AWS Lambda function or HTTP endpoints. And the second option is Alexa will host the skill for us. In this section, we will select Alexa hosted backend resources, but here we have two options, Node.js and Python. We are building Alexa skill using a Python, so we will select Python. Now go to the top of the page and click create a skill. And here we select a hello world skill template. Now click choose. It takes about a minute for AWS to provision resources for the skill. So here we are in the Alexa skill builder. Let's start with the interaction model. Under interaction model, click on invocation. Invocation name is the name that user will need to say to start the skill. Here, enter the skill invocation name SOU facts. So, to start our SOU facts skill, user can speak Alexa open SOU facts. Now, let's move toward the intents. Basically, an intent represents an action that fulfills user's spoken request. And you can see hello world intent and some inbuilt intents here. Because we selected hello world skill template, they have already created a hello world intent. But we don't need this intent, so delete it and create a new intent called fact intent. Now you can see title sample utterance. So the utterances is user spoken request. This spoken request can invoke a skill. In a fact intent, let's add some sample utterance like a fact tell me a fact. Give me a fact. Tell me a Statue of Unity fact. So invoke our skill, user can say Alexa, tell SO facts to tell me a fact. And now we have completed our front end work. So click on a save model and then click build model. It's take about a minute to complete this process. After successfully completed build model process, click on a code. And here you can see the backend part and lambda underscore function Python file. And here we will change few codes. First of all, remove class launch request handler and remove class hello world intent handler. And at the end of this file, remove these two lines, launch request handler for the launch request handler and for the hello world intent handler. Now in lambda underscore function dot py file, let's import random module. And here I am defining one list of facts. So I have already created a list in my Jupyter notebook, so I am copying and paste. So here are the list of facts of Statue of Unity, and here we will define a new class fact intent handler, and which have two methods called can handle which return or fact intent. And second method is handle which speak out random dot choice facts, and it will return speak speak out. And at the end we will add just one line and we will call it, and let's save. So we have completed our backend part, and now deploy .py file, and let's test our fact skill, how it is working or it is working or not. So here we will write open and let's see what we will get.
The thickness of the bronze cladding on the statue is 8 millimeters.
So we have successfully completed our SOU fact skill. I hope this was helpful for you. Create your own Alexa skill and have fun. If you like this video, hit the like button and leave a comment for your feedback or anything we should cover in our next video. Thank you.